Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. First, you're going to go ahead and right-click on Valorant and let's go to Properties. Let's go to the Compatibility tab and make sure that Disable Full Screen Optimization and Run this program as an administrator is both checked. Next thing we're going to check is that it may be due to insufficient RAM, so we can stop background apps to solve that. To do that, let's go ahead and search for Task Manager. Let's open it up and we are going to click on memory right here and click on it again to sort the apps depending on how much memory they are using. So the app at the top uses the most memory. So if you have some apps that you don't currently use, for example, Spotify, you right click on it and click on End Task to give more memory to a Valorant while you're playing it. The next step is to go to Settings, so right-click on your start icon and go to Settings. From here, click on Update and Security, and we are going to check for updates in here and install any updates to ensure that we have the latest version of Windows, as this can help in resolving the issue. The next step is to ensure that we have updated graphics driver. So to do that, open up the browser that you have, and let's go to drivereasy.com. Hit enter, and we're going to click on download now right here and run the installer. And once you have installed it, just open the app and just click on scan now right here, and the app will scan for any updates of your driver within your computer. And this might take a minute, so let's just wait for it. Once it is done, it will show the outdated drivers, and we are going to look for outdated graphic drivers, so we can scroll through. And for example, I have a graphics driver on the list. If you have that as well, you can go ahead and click on activate and update, and you can then click on start a trial to update your driver and just follow the instructions that it says. After that, we are going to go ahead and open up the in-game settings. So open up your Valorant app, press the S key on your keyboard, and let's go to settings. From here, let's go to video and go to the graphics quality tab and make sure that all of these is set to low to have better performance during the game. The next step will be to go to the right client app, and from here, go to the game section from the options at the left, click on Valorant, and click on the profile icon at the top right. From here, let's click on settings, and you will be able to see the repair option, so click on that, and click on start repair. You have any error that shows up on here, and it will say successfully repaired, and you can then try playing the game again and see if that solves your problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.